Christmas is just around the corner, and what better way to kick off the festive season than with some DIY decorations. These little candle holders are perfect for the Christmas table and a great way to reuse glass jars. And here's what you'll need to get started. Some recycled glass jars, washed and ready to use, a dried tree branch. Now we've found this one in our backyard, but you can always ask your neighbours if you don't have one. Some decorations, some ribbon, candles and Sally's power grip.
And for tools, all you need is a handsaw and some scissors. First up, get yourself a nice level bench to work from. Now we're going to overhang our branch off the end here and cut around about 15mm increments off the end, and they'll form the basis for our glass jar. There you go.
Nice. Now there's no right or wrong with how thick you make your base. The trick is to make sure that it's nice and level so that your glass jar sits flush.
Now to stick our glass jar and timber together, I'm using Sally's power grip, which is an awesome all-purpose glue and sticks and withstands virtually anything. Make sure your glass jar and timber are free of dust, so we'll give them a little wipe. Now we're going to take the cap off our power grip and apply the glue to one surface. So we'll just tip that glass jar over, place some around the rim. Now all you're going to do is flip it over, making sure our glass jar is nice and centered. We'll just apply some pressure for about 60 seconds so we get that good initial contact. The glue will set in about 3 minutes and achieve full strength in approximately 12 hours.
So I've cut my ribbon to length and now it's time to dress our glasses. So what I'm going to do is grab some glue, dab a little bit of glue on the glass and simply wrap my ribbon around. Then I'm going to use a little bit more glue to fix the end off. Now to finish it off, I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the ribbon and stick one of these decorations on top. It's as simple as that. Now that our glue's all set, it's time to style up our Christmas table. How's that for a super simple DIY project with glass jars and the perfect way to finish off our Christmas table?